this idea of a symbolic historical monument to. I think it's to signify, you know, the enduring Irish culture as well as craft in stone, and then just Jake got hold of me through a various of emails and conversations, and then he explained to me that he had this idea to try and build a 5th century clachan, as they call them, a clachan, a monk's cell, really, which you see them on the beautiful west coast of Ireland and on the Skelligs, of course.
This is a traditional structure, this clachan. It represents a period in Ireland that no longer exists. Very communal period in Ireland. Traditional dwelling, the fact it's circular, it's on Mother Earth, you know, and it is a tie. It is a connection back to a day and time, you know, before colonization in Ireland, when you had, as the song says, Irish ways and Irish laws.
Sílim go le chláán se ar dóid, sílim gur smúniú ar dóid a bhíon, agus tá ma héana go ar tógrálín ag ddíú ar go dtíon tíhil go ddíad ag teag daoine ar dúchas, mana teasacinn tá na pobl i geirí plantseanga ar le heile, agus híl ma héana go chóirtain ddíú ar an tíhil atá againn ar dúchas féin. Agus sílim go bhfuil se go hananta go bhfuil an airt fannaithe seo tíú leis an fólam seo, agus ar gháid beidir go gúideann tógraí mar seo leis an tíoság agus lenne líc. An caiil sin a dhéanú arís leis an seancreidú agus an mion géala sin.
Well, tá sé gallant agus tá gach daine a chur sonrú an agus chur céisian a fidúda is áhar chainte ag Hanahhain pobl na scola ach ag na cuairtí réile agus na tuismóirí ag na steachan seo go dtí tá géisian sin seaan sé amach mar fisa álína dúspóire tá sé gallant a leharcar go tá sé an écalach agus an sin maidir leis an simbalachas a tatíh hiirde Jim go sé an similar fad.
We decided to bring some slate over from Wales, which was it was something for me personally to begin with, and there was a practical use because the slate was to give the sidings a bit more strength, so we could build it up from the inside and bring it in on a steeper pitch as well, and then just the symbolism as well. The students at the college at College the Forester had worked out the direction for us for the rising sun of the solstice, so we could actually point the door in the direction to greet the sun again. I mean, there's a little bit of the feeling of Newgrange and stuff. You know, I wouldn't even try and claim that it's anything that's half as spectacular. Though I'm very proud of what we've done here.
Ireland still has its original tongue, which our people would say that would be a holy tongue. And through that tongue, or through that language, there are embedded a lot of roots that go way, way back. And these roots that go way, way back, they're kind of like the dukas of the Irish people. You know, and they teach things like meha and so forth. That's very important, because if you're just going to use language, any language, for personal identity or national identity, then those are necessary reasons to speak your original tongue, but they're not sufficient. You need to be able to also speak with that resonance and authority that comes from your dukas, and that is what language does for us.
Again, the symbolism of you know how enduring the language and the culture is in this country, and you know, hopefully something enduring that will last long after I've gone, and still be here to tell a tale and hopefully inspire young people when they see it. But yeah, inspiration. I hope people can take away whatever they like when they see it and be inspired. Hopefully, like I mean, the whole project's inspired me to do more things. I want to build another one in Wales now and maybe twin it so we can have a little similar party sometime in midsummer or the beginning of summer and sort of have that Celtic link then.
Tá Chanscoil Capachel Villian Jeg Punta ar siúlagin faoi láthair tá scoil a fhuas as Kimse le tamil de bhlianta agus tá fhuas tapi túrtha insna blianta tal chat fásta mar sin de tá na haconí is nua amseartha de dhí ar na daltaí sogaine ar an gluúin uair de phobal na Gaeilge. Tá sin an táhachtach san am chéanna tá sé an táhacht go digan muid nach bhfuil muid tá sé rud nua a go bhfuil muid a lansan a rá leis an holtar agus leis an teanga arsa sin agus leis an teagháil déana sin mar ghlac sé na milliún duine na milliún géal leis an holtar agus leis an chréanachta tógin sa látá níon a chathú agus a orbert.